Water.
Water.
The simplest drink with no taste or color.
Coffee.
Coffee.
A hot drink made from roasted coffee beans.
Tea.
Tea.
A warm drink made by soaking tea leaves in hot water.
Juice.
Juice.
A sweet drink made from fruits or vegetables.
Soda.
Soda.
A fizzy drink with sugar and bubbles. Milk.
Milk.
A white drink from cows, goats, or plants.
Beer.
Beer.
An alcoholic drink made from grains like barley.
Wine.
Wine.
An alcoholic drink made from fermented grapes.
Cocktail.
Cocktail.
A mixed drink with alcohol, fruit juice, and flavors.
Smoothie.
Smoothie.
A thick drink made with fruits, milk, or yogurt.
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
A sweet and sour drink made with lemons, sugar, and water.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
A warm drink made with milk and chocolate.
Iced tea.
Iced tea.
A cold tea drink served with ice.
Energy drink.
Energy drink.
A fizzy drink with caffeine to give you energy.
Milkshake.
Milkshake.
A cold drink made with milk, ice cream, and flavors. Sparkling water.
Sparkling water.
Water with bubbles, like soda, but no sugar.
Coconut water.
Coconut water.
A natural drink from inside coconuts.
Herbal tea.
Herbal tea.
Tea made from herbs, flowers, or plants.
Chai latte.
Chai latte.
A spicy tea mixed with milk and sugar,